To insert a title in a Word document in Windows 11 Home, open Microsoft 365. Next, select your Word document. For example, this Word document, or you can create blank Word document. Next, select or click Insert, and then tap. Click Level. Now you can lock your level you want, for example, and then just click to insert table, or click Insert and then table, and then Insert table. You can select. You can type number of column, for example 11, and then number of row 20. You can select fixed auto width of other, and then tap OK if you finish. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.